everyone. My name is Chloe.
And I'm Ethan. Welcome back to Viral Daily English, where you can practice slow and simple English every day.
Today we will talk about my evening routine. I'll speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, repeat, and practice with us.
This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners who want to improve listening and speaking skills.
Great! Are you ready? Let's start. Usually finish work around 5:00 in the evening.
After work, she feels a bit tired, but also happy because it's time to relax.
That's right. I take the bus home every day. The ride takes about 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the traffic.
Sometimes she listens to calm music on the bus or looks out the window to enjoy the view.
When I arrive home, the first thing I do is take off my shoes and put down my bag near the door.
She always feels peaceful when she steps inside her home.
Yes, I love that feeling. Then I go to the kitchen to make dinner.
What do you usually cook, Chloe?
It depends. Sometimes I cook rice with vegetables or make chicken and soup. Other times, I eat something simple like pasta, eggs, or a salad.
That sounds healthy and delicious.
Thank you! I always drink a glass of water or a cup of tea with my meal. It helps me feel calm after a busy day. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen.
She likes to keep everything tidy and fresh for the next morning.
Exactly. A clean kitchen makes me feel relaxed. Then, I go to the living room.
What do you do there?
I sit on the sofa and relax. Sometimes I listen to soft music. Other times, I watch TV or read a book.
Do you ever talk with friends or family?
Yes, sometimes I call my parents or chat with friends online before bed. Around 9 or 9:30, I start to get ready for bed.
What's your bedtime routine like?
First, I brush my teeth carefully. Then, I wash my face with warm water and sometimes use a light cream.
And then comes the best part, pajamas.
Yes, I change into my pajamas, turn off the bright lights, and go to my bedroom.
That sounds so peaceful.
I turn off the lights, lie down in bed, close my eyes, and take a deep breath. I feel thankful for the day and ready to rest.
That's such a nice and simple evening routine.
Thank you, Ethan. And now I want to ask you, our listeners, what do you do in the evening?
Do you cook dinner, watch TV, or talk with your family? Tell us in the comments below.
Thank you for listening and practicing English with us today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
See you next time on Viral Daily English.